And oh my God, one time, so my father had a younger sister and a younger brother. My Aunt Pearl, she she was my godmother. And my mother wanted to cook. My mother was Jewish, but we didn't keep kosher. And my mother wanted to cook Thanksgiving dinner. My Aunt Pearl told me this. And my grandma, this was the only one I knew, Grandma Esther, the mother of my father, Aunt Pearl, and Adolf. They said, no, 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 we don't, because they were kosher. And my mother said, I'll do it just the way you like it. I'll do it. I have special pots and pans and dishes. So my mother made turkey and everything. And my mother said, how was it? And they said, oh, it was delicious. We loved it. And my mother said, you see, butter doesn't hurt. And they almost died. Oh my God, can you imagine?